Hey guys, it's like second day of doing Christmas makeup for 12 days. So yeah, today we are going to use this new palette, well sort of new palette. It's the SpongeBob and HipDot palette. So yeah, I have like an idea of what I kind of want to do, or try to do. Hopefully it works. Saw this makeup look on Facebook. It's like little Santa hats. So yeah, I thought I would attempt to do something like that. Maybe. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know if I'll be any good at it. So yeah. I use this again. I used this in my last video. It looks like go right now. We're doing the look. Hope it works out. We're gonna go in with this red shade, the penny pincher. And I'm using this brush because I'm gonna like outline it first, I think. I think that's a smart idea. Art skills are at this level. That's what we got so far. Probably should have done like a base eyeshadow like I did in my first video. I just went for it. I kind of put some foundation on as or primer on as a base. I'm just kind of concerned. I think it'll turn out okay. Oh, it's not bad. It's like the outline of the little Santa hat. I think that's the best they were gonna get. I'm glad that went alright. I look crazy. Okay. What should I do? I think I'm gonna do like the little white trim stuff. And like a white eyeshadow real quick. I should have one somewhere, hopefully. We're gonna try it with like the milk shade from the Fruity Pebbles that we used yesterday. It looks a little better. I can see it a little more. Santa ball thing. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I gotta fill it in. Okay, I'm going back to the SpongeBob. It's looking really cute. I'm excited about this. I just hope I don't mess it up when I do the other eye. Because this one looks really, looks decent. So I just hope I don't screw it up when I go do my other eye. Okay, I think that's good. You can kind of... I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Let's hope it works out. Let's hope it works out. I don't know. The other eye's always... They're sisters, not twins. Let's remember that. Okay. I wish you could just copy paste. If that was a thing in makeup. Better with the using the Fruity Pebbles white one again. It's kind of cute. Okay. We did it. And it didn't take forever either. Okay. Got the eye look done. I think I'm just gonna use the same mascara as I did last time. Use red lipstick. This is red. This feels very matte. This like shimmery cherry red from Fruity Pebbles. Can't really see it. There we go. Add that on top of the red, so it's maybe like a little shiny. A bit better. Just like added some little touches to it. Okay. I don't know if I want to do blush. Maybe I should do should I do like a red blush or should I do just like a white blush? Not anything crazy. I don't know. This is cute. I have some blushes that are kind of just like a white blush. That I need to do. Maybe I'll do that right now. Same mascara as last time. I'm like all over the place. Sorry. Very cute. Just like a bit, I used to hate blush and I like can't live without it. And I used to hate it. I'm gonna use this one instead. This like dome is what it's called. It's like a nice light blush though. You can barely even see it on camera, but it's definitely there. I think that's it. So my glasses are so dirty. I need to do something with my hair. But yeah, it's really cute. Bye. That was day 2. Christmas looks. Oh, this is. I like this a lot. I don't know if I can get better than this. Okay, bye.